This is gonna suck. I gotta get this pulled out and then put back in the middle, because today is the day we are putting in the old 5.3. I'm gonna clean up this valley and get that all vacuumed. Well, I'm gonna clean it and vacuum it because that stuff is grimy. But then I'll take the motor mounts off, and that's pretty much it. And then we'll get ready to drop this girl in.
I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. I see the world through eyes covered in ink and bleach. Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe.
My neighbor showed up
that's
out of nowhere,
alright.
and I had to stop what I was doing. And then, but now she's ready. Get that engine, get it over here. Get the strap on it. I need to install the AJE motor mount, and we should be ready to go, I do believe. Alright, so I got the OEM motor mounts out, put in the AJE motor mount, and what sucks is you can only really run 3 bolts, because if you switch this around, these 3 line back up, 1, 2, and 3, but this thing is hitting right here, so there's no real point. And you can't really put that 4th bolt in, because it's technically in the way of the weld. So, you gotta run it this way. You got the bottom 2 and you got the 1 top. And the same issue on the other side. So you lift it up, the weld sits right on top of it. So, just put your 3 in. You should be fine. If you really feel like that's not gonna work, I would recommend trying to either drill that hole and then just put that bolt in, and then just tighten this up, take this out, and then go get 1 more washer and put on this side. Then repeat for the other side. Note to self, this whole ground had oil on it, and I'm trying to cut this bolt off, and whoosh, this whole place is fogged up. Jesus, got my nerves shaking, man. Woo.
Take my eyes open to force reality. Why can't you just let me eat my weight in glee? I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in their cradles, profanities. Some days I feel skinnier than all the other days. Sometimes I can't tell if my body belongs to me. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
Gonna go ahead and take these manifolds off. They are not kind of fitting. Alright guys, final touch on this. Bam. Yeah, sweet. Bam. I just gotta tighten up. Oh, car dropped. Bam. Get this thing unhooked. Fucker. I don't think that's... I hope not. It's probably because I had the worst struts. Yeah, that's about right for stock height. Yeah, that's about it. No bounce. Yeah, no bounce. I'll have to figure that out. Alright guys, final look. Suspension finally sat down. I kind of want a softer suspension, but for now, that'll do. She's sitting in there pretty. Man, this is getting exciting. I'm doing the wiring harness as we speak. So in the next video, I'm hoping to hear it at least run. I need some gaskets, and need to figure out what I can do for exhaust manifolds because the stock ones do not fit. And then next is tranny, and I gotta do the 8.8 swap on the rear end. That's over there, sitting there. I'm just waiting on brakes. Just like the front, I'm waiting on the brakes. But I got the hatch finally open. It wasn't even locked, I just picked it up. So that was cool. But, yeah guys. Hope you guys liked this video. I know it was a little short, but I just wanted to get the engine in for you guys. Leave a like, subscribe if you're new. I'll see you guys later. Peace out.